Hello everyone, welcome to TradeMints. So today we have Nifty and Bank Nifty chart open here. So let us see what can happen today in the market. Okay, so this is a 15 minutes time frame of Bank Nifty and let us analyze few points here. So last time we have predicted that if market is going to be continuing this price action, right? This price action, it will generally take a pullback over here and try to break this particular area. Okay, that is the high. But we saw due to the event, market came to the breakout didn't work and market took a selling side here. Okay, so it continuously went down, right? But what is the most important thing? The most important thing was this particular swing, right? So here this particular area, so we have marked this level 35,182. This particular level market always respected, right? So from here it took a bounce. Okay, so now what can happen tomorrow? Okay, so generally whenever the market is closing in this particular area or any price, right, we have to see the previous swing. Okay, so this is the previous swing. Okay, and what is that is the support, and what is the upper swing? That is this one. Okay, so this is the resistance, right? So we have two things here. We got a support and the resistance. Now let us understand few points here. So tomorrow the best scenario will be, see, tomorrow opening price is very much important, okay, and the closing price too. Okay, so first in this last 15 minutes candles, this particular area we saw a pullback with a volume over here, right? This particular area we saw a pullback with a volume. So this particular area buyers were active. Okay, market didn't go and close here. If you see, there is a trend line over here and market gave a breakout from this trend line and went and closed up, right? So definitely buyers are present here. So at which particular area buyers are present? Exactly in this particular level. Okay, this particular and this particular level. So this becomes a range. Okay, so tomorrow how market can react? Okay, so if the market opens flat, okay, mark my words, if market opens flat in this particular area, okay, just mark your levels, okay, in this area. So basically, if I'm giving a proper diagram so that you guys can be very familiar with it, just let me go to this particular area and just draw this triangle box so that you can understand. Okay, so this is the area I'm talking about. Okay, so this particular area, so this is the last 15 minutes candle which I'm talking about. So anywhere, right, this particular range, this becomes very important. Okay, this particular range. So market if opens flat in the sense in this particular range itself. Okay, so if market is exactly opening in this particular range, what you can do is wait for a price action. Okay, it will break either upside or downside. So if it breaks downside, okay, it will be your immediate target will be the support. Okay, so this particular supports. Okay, so from 35,400 it can easily travel to 35,100, this particular area. Okay, this particular area. So you will be getting 300 points over here, and you have to know that market can bounce from this particular area. So you have to book your profits if you are looking for this type of trade, just short 200-300 points. Okay, but when I will personally aggressively sell is if the market goes for selling, okay, I will just particularly wait for this particular level. So generally market will be I'm just showing you the selling side, okay, then I will show where you can buy it. Okay, so in the selling side, first market will break this trend line and come down. Okay, and after coming down it has, okay, and if it takes a resistance in this previous support, okay, and comes down, so here I will short again. Okay, because if I see here the target is very much high, that is 34,605 particular levels. Okay, so I will get a better risk to reward. So in here, if the market is going like flat and breaking this particular area, it can take a support here. So this is the area where you have to be very quick if you are going for this particular trade. That is why I will not generally go for this trade. What I will do is I will just wait for the market to consolidate over here, and if it breaks here and gives a pullback and gets a rejection, then only I will short the market. Okay, and when I will short, exactly when this particular low is broken, I'm going to sell it, and whatever the target I will be getting, that is with the stop loss of here. Okay, this particular area. So that is how price action works. Okay, so this is when if Bank Nifty is opening flat. Okay, now what to do for a how to understand that market is still bullish. Okay, so tomorrow if it opens with a huge gap up, okay, gap up in the sense, for if it opens around 35,800, this particular level, that is 500 points, 400 points gap up, what generally buyers are there. Okay, here also the buyers were there. Okay, so generally a profit booking will come, profit booking in the sense not a selling side market. Okay, so here the market can go to a profit booking if it opens over here, and it can take a support in this particular area and again go back, okay, because here buyers are present, buyers are interested to play these positions, okay. So generally if there is a gap up, I will personally book my profit if there is a huge gap up. Otherwise I will not book, I will just wait for a pullback, and if the market is taking back support here, it will easily, and generally what happens is you will see this is a trend line coming up, okay, this is a trend line. So when this particular area, okay, this particular area gets a breakout, it will be huge breakout, okay. Similarly in this particular area, if we get a breakdown, it will be huge breakdown, okay. So this is my particular view. If the market is opening gap up, I will plan according to it, because if there is a gap up, the closing of the market, okay, even if it does not reverse tomorrow, okay, but the closing should be exactly here, okay, the closing should be here. If market is able to hold this particular range which I am showing you currently, then market can reverse in the coming days to upside also, okay. It's very easy for it. So tomorrow's gap up opening, if it is there, as per SGX Nifty, it is showing a gap up. So if the gap up is there, generally I will wait, I will see if the market is not coming for selling a support over here and trying to recover, okay. So this is the area where I can put my long position again, okay. Or if you are already having the long position, just wait for it, okay. So this is the particular area. For flat market, selling would come easily, because not easily I would say, we have to wait for this price action. For flat market I'm saying, so if then also you're getting a buying trade, okay, and if it breaks this particular area also, you're getting a selling trade, okay. So if you are buying over here, your SL should be over here, okay, this particular area, and if you are selling, your SL should be over here. So this is the particular range which you have to mark here, okay. Now let us come to the Nifty chart. If we come to the Nifty chart, this particular analysis is coming in Nifty chart. So here if you see in the last 15 minutes, the market was bullish, okay. So here Nifty is overall bullish than Bank Nifty over here. So if you see, the Nifty has like came here but always took a support over here, right, this particular area. So this support plays an important role, okay. So as I am saying, for Nifty also, this is your task to plot the levels, this particular level, okay. You just plot it in your charts, okay. So market, if it is going flat over here, and easily see 15,560, all these level, and there is a gap over here also, okay, in this particular area. So this gap can be also filled, and market can come down to 15,600 to 15,560, this levels, okay, this particular levels, okay. And when you should buy, obviously you should buy when this particular trend line breaks, okay. So this particular trend line, if it breaks, you can get first target easily around 15,760, this particular area. So market has to open flat for all these conditions, okay. And again in Nifty, if there is a gap up, for example the gap up opens over here, okay. So obviously this is a rejection point, right, this is a resistance, like this is a support, this is a resistance. So if the market is opening around here, it will generally come down over here and take a support and then reverse back. So this is the area where you can long your positions, okay, only if the support is taken. So this is how you have to plan up tomorrow. Obviously I will guide you, because the video is coming up late, so many people will not be able to see it, okay. So thank you guys. If you are holding Escort Motors, just hold it, okay. And if you are holding any of the other stocks that I have told not to exit, just please hold it. Tomorrow we can exit it, or according to the price action that is formed. Don't be in a hurry to exit the stocks, just wait for the price actions, okay. Bajaj Finance and Escort Motors, both I'm holding in future, so just hold those positions. So thank you everyone, have a good day, and please enjoy.